Scriptural References. The Wisdom of Sastra. The king Parikshit said, "O you who are in the form of a bull, you know the truth of religion, and you are speaking according to the principle that the destination intended for the perpetrator of irreligious acts is also intended for one who identifies the perpetrator. You are no other than the personality of religion." Srimad Bhagavatam 1:17-22. Prahlad Maharaj replied, "Let me offer my respectful obeisances unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead, whose external energy has created the distinctions of my friend and my enemy, by deluding the intelligence of men. Indeed, I am now actually experiencing this, although I have previously heard of it from authoritative sources." Srimad Bhagavatam 7:5-11. When the Supreme Personality of Godhead is pleased with the living entity because of his devotional service, one becomes a Pandit and does not make distinctions between enemies, friends, and himself. Intelligently, he thinks, every one of us is an eternal servant of God, and therefore we are not different from one another. Srimad Bhagavatam 7:5-12. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "The humble sage, by virtue of true knowledge, sees with equal vision a learned and gentle Brahmana, a cow, an elephant, a dog, and a dog-eater, or an outcast." Bhagavad Gita 5:18. Lord Kapil Dev said, "I am present in every living entity as the Supersoul. If someone neglects or disregards that Supersoul everywhere and engages himself in the worship of the deity in the temple, that is simply imitation." Srimad Bhagavatam 3:29-21. One who worships the deity of Godhead in the temples but does not know that the Supreme Lord as Paramatma is situated in every living entity's heart must be in ignorance, and is compared to one who offers oblations into ashes. Srimad Bhagavatam 3:29-22. For peace of mind. One who offers me respect but is envious of the bodies of others and is therefore a separatist never attains peace of mind because of his inimical behavior towards other living entities. Srimad Bhagavatam 3:29-23. My dear mother, even if he worships with proper rituals and paraphernalia, a person who is ignorant of my presence in all living entities never pleases me by the worship of my deities in the temple. Srimad Bhagavatam 3:29-24. As the blazing fire of death, I, Lord Kapil Dev, cause great fear to whoever makes the least discrimination between himself and other living entities because of a differential outlook. Srimad Bhagavatam 3:29-26. Therefore, through charitable gifts and attention, as well as through friendly behavior, and by viewing all to be alike, one should propitiate me who abide in all creatures as their very self. Srimad Bhagavatam 3:29-27. The end.